Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Emily and I am a pyrography artist, or a wood burner as I like to call it. I showed y'all this piece in my first video, but today I'm sort of breaking down exactly what I'm doing. To start, I always pull my hair back. When I first started, I burned off a piece of it while burning and never again. I have a Parsons Coldwood compact burner that my grandfather gave me and it has been amazing. Although this is not sponsored whatsoever. I just wanted to let you know what I have and where I got it for anyone who wants to start burning. I am very erratic and indecisive when I'm burning. I jumped all over the place and never can really decide on what patterns or burns I want to do on a certain part. On every other piece I've done, I have just started with one idea and then on a whim, it's turned it out to be something completely different. Like this mountain that I'm doing. When I first started, I had no idea what to do with it. I kind of just started drawing lines, and then it has fleshed out into this beautiful mountainscape. And there's no eraser or undo button for this, so if I did hate it, I'd just have to live with it or start over on a new sheet of wood. It can be annoying sometimes, but it can be the best mistake that you make on the piece. To be very honest, to anyone who has not ever burned, wood burning is like drawing with a hot utensil. So instead of like a charcoal pencil, I'm using this hot pen. By using a variety of tips and pressures, you end up with a lovely piece of art. Personally, I only use 1 to 3 different tips, but I have a lot more that I could use. I'm just not adventurous enough for that. My grandfather taught me that you should only let your tip be hot enough to make a mark, not just send up smoke. And while I don't always stick to that, it really does help with discoloration around the burn point. Now again, I am very new at this. I don't draw a ton, even though I do enjoy it, but I'm still learning a lot. My artist friends have taught me something called shading. Now, you're probably thinking, Emily, you're such a dum-dum. Of course, we know what shading is. But shading has completely changed how I draw and burn. It adds a whole nother dimension to the art, and it feels so much more real and almost like advanced, or at least for me. So a lot of what you don't get to see is the shading. My camera is on my phone and it doesn't really pick up very well what I'm doing, but there is definitely a change, and next time I'll make sure to try and show you that. I kind of got tired of burning. My hands tend to cramp up and it gets really hot around my fingertips because of the pen. So I took a break and I went in with this white colored pencil to shade in some of the clouds and add some highlights to what is already burned. And for all of you wondering, no, this is not a real-time video. This is just super sped up because there is absolutely no way that YouTube would let me put the entire project on there. And I don't know of anyone who would actually sit there and watch it either. In real time, this probably was 2 or 3 hours for just this little bit. This is a real-time clip of how long it takes to burn a little bit of the mountain. Then I went over on this already colored red dragon and went over with a blue. I was trying to make kind of like a purple color, but that did not work. So I went over it again with an actual purple pencil. It kind of helped, but it's not really what I want still. I'm not really sure what to do to fix it, but please let me know if you have any idea in the comments. I don't have enough time to finish this project today, but I will give an update soon. That's all for now. Bye!